Ramadan is a month filled with mercy, forgiveness, and blessings. But among its nights, there is one night that is more special than all the others. This night is called Laylat Al-Qadr, the night of power. Allah tells us in the Qur'an that Laylat Al-Qadr is better than 1,000 months. On this blessed night, angels descend with peace and mercy until the break of dawn. Because of this, Muslims search for this night during the last 10 nights of Ramadan. They pray, make dua, and ask Allah for forgiveness. Imagine one night of sincere worship being rewarded more than 80 years of devotion. That is the beauty of Laylat Al-Qadr. So, when the last 10 nights of Ramadan arrive, do not miss this incredible opportunity. Pray, seek forgiveness, and ask Allah for His mercy, because Laylat Al-Qadr might be the night that changes your life forever.